Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are pledge of allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
Good afternoon, my peeps. What's going on? Yeah, man. So Minister Delroy Truck, I understand, has said that members of parliament should not have to declare the income of their spouses and children on their statutory declaration. He said that members have been asking if this is right, and he has advised them not to. He said that the Integrity Commission have no right because it's a matter of personal information. Now, from as far as I can remember, when statutory declaration came into being, that information has always been required. Now, it is not only members of parliament that prepare statutory declaration, it's all government workers who fall above a certain pay grade or who work in certain sensitive areas. So why then is Mr. Truck advocating only for members of parliament? Shouldn't it apply across the board? If it doesn't apply to members of parliament, then it shouldn't apply to anybody at all who require to fill out statutory declaration. Isn't this so? But why now? Of all the years that this thing has been enforced, why all of a sudden it becomes a concern? Is it because there are members of parliament who are under investigation for illicit enrichment? Why is it now a great concern? Because what Mr. Truck is saying here indirectly is that if parliamentarians don't have to declare the income or the earnings or possessions of their spouses and children, then what it does is lay the foundation for these members to open all their businesses in their spouses and children name and to transact all their businesses through them, so they only have to declare their income. And then we talk about stamping out corruption. Mr. Truck, as a justice minister, you have failed us. I can't really believe that you're asking for this. After how many years have that thing been enforced? 30 odd years? Almost 40 years? And all of a sudden it's an issue? Come on, Mr. Truck. Do better than that. You have to come better than that, Mr. Truck. And you can't advocate just for your parliamentarians. That's why it looks biased. You must advocate for it for everybody who fill out statutory declaration, not just parliamentarians. This shows motive, Mr. Truck. It shows motive and it shows bias. We will not have a hide. God on time, yeah?
He has no other option but to resign. If our justice minister is advising another public official to give a response that would prevent that public official from complying with the law, the Minister of Justice has rendered his position untenable. He is the justice minister. Anywhere else in the world, if any justice minister admits to advising another public official to break the law I'm certain any country worth its salt, any country serious about accountability and good governance, that justice minister would have to resign.
National Party Media Unit.
It is really shocking to hear the Minister of Justice, this chief steward of justice in our island, and the King's Council encouraging parliamentarians to breach the very law which they passed in Parliament. It's unacceptable, and I believe that in light of all his recent utterances, it is time for him to step aside.
Visit our website at pnp.org.jm or check us out on Facebook at Jamaica PNP.
The management of that process involving the baby, I am comfortable and satisfied that based on the technical review, the discussion with the CMO, that the medical team did the best that they could, and that there are some technical nuances that would need to be explained to the family members. The challenge is that they have reached out to the family members on multiple occasions, the father in particular, I am told, and there have been a resistance to meet with the team. And I want to use this opportunity again to appeal to the family to come in. I'm prepared to meet with them.
Hey guys, what's up?
Hey girl.
Hey Gabby, what's up? What's up?
Hey, Gabby, what going?
Alright guys, so I just checking in because remember, it's that time of the year again.
Huh? Like what you mean? Like Christmas? New Year?
Valentine? It's that time? Guys, no. Okay, alright, that was my fault. Guys, it's time again for us to get Jamaicans registered to vote. We are looking for unregistered persons and we're encouraging them to come on the list. And those persons that we register, we want them to register some more people. Because guess what? Remember, friends don't let friends vote alone.
Believe no man, we really need to do the thing.
Hey, so what about them people who live side of me this? What about my neighbor?
Hey, me no say you have no neighbor and friend. We're calling all of them because remember, we have up to March 31, the 31st of March to get people registered. So remember, friends don't let friends vote alone. So tell a friend to tell a friend.
Wait a second, Gabby. Tell a friend to tell a friend? No problem.
You're quick, sir. And the man sent out broadcast message.
Guys, we have to remember, friends don't let friends vote alone.
People, time come now. Make the trumpets play.